This is the hand bucket challenge. Okay. This is how you do it. Okay, this is how you do it. You go to your sink or water fountain, anywhere that has water. Get it in your hands as much as you can get. Then, well, put it in your face like that. Okay.
How about I get a picture of you so we can see how you do it?
Well, I dominate somebody that has never done this. I dominate the camera guy.
Okay.
The person that's taking this video, I dominate.
Oh, really? So you think you're dominating me, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna dominate my grandmother. Okay. Okay, here it goes.
Is that cold?
Okay.
Oh!